Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Creative Syntax, and in this CorelDRAW beginner series, I'll teach you everything you need to know about designing, step by step. In today's first episode, we're going to explore the CorelDRAW interface, all the important parts of the workspace, what each bar and tool does, and how you can start feeling comfortable before creating your first design. So, open your CorelDRAW, and let's get started. At the very top of the screen is the title bar. It displays your document name, for example, Untitled 1, and shows whether the file is saved or not. Just below it is the menu bar, which gives you access to every feature in CorelDRAW. You'll see menus like File, Edit, View, Layout, Arrange, Effects, Bitmaps, Text, Tools, Window, and Help. Each menu opens a list of commands. For example, under File, you can create new documents or save your work. Under Edit, you'll find Undo, Cut, Copy, and Paste. Under Layout, you can set up your page size and margins. Right below the menu bar, we have the standard toolbar. Think of this as your quick command center. It contains small icons for common tasks like New, Open, and Save. Cut, Copy, and Paste. Undo and Redo. Import and Export. You can also find zoom levels and page navigation tools here. This bar helps you work faster. Instead of going through menus, you can just click the icons. Now let's move to the toolbox on the left side of your screen. This is where the real design magic happens. Each icon here is a tool for creating or editing shapes, text, and designs. Let's quickly go over some of the most common tools. Pick Tool, V, used to select, move, or resize objects. Shape Tool, F10, lets you edit nodes and curves. Crop Tool, C, removes unwanted parts of a design. Zoom Tool, Z, zooms in or out of your workspace. Freehand Tool, F5, draws freeform lines. Rectangle Tool, F6, creates boxes and squares. Ellipse Tool, F7, creates circles. Polygon Tool, Y, creates polygons or stars. Text Tool, F8, used for typing text. Color Picker and Fill Tools, apply or adjust colors. We'll explore each one of these tools deeply in upcoming videos, but for now, just understand their locations and purpose. A quick tip, hover over any tool to see its name and shortcut key. That's a great way to learn faster. Right above the drawing page, just under the toolbar, is the property bar. This bar is dynamic, which means it changes based on the tool you're currently using. For example, if you select a rectangle, you'll see options to change width, height, and corner roundness. If you choose the text tool, you'll see font options, size, and alignment. The property bar is one of the most important areas because it gives you full control over whatever tool or object you're working with. On the right side, you'll find the color palette. This is where all your fill and outline colors live. To apply a color, select your shape and simply left-click a color to fill it, or right-click to change the outline color. You can scroll through or even add custom palettes later. It's quick, simple, and perfect for experimenting with colors while designing. Next to the color palette are your dockers, also known as inspectors in newer versions. Dockers are panels that give you more advanced settings and controls. You can open them by going to Window Dockers and choosing one, for example, Object Properties to edit color and outline, align and distribute to arrange objects evenly, transformations to scale, rotate, or mirror shapes. Think of dockers as your side assistants, always ready when you need extra options. At the very bottom of your screen, you'll see the status bar. This section gives you useful information about your selected object, like its color, outline, size, and position on the page. It also shows hints about whatever tool you're hovering over, which is very helpful for beginners. In the bottom left corner, you'll find the Page Navigator. You can add, delete, or switch between multiple pages here. This is super helpful for multi-page designs like brochures, certificates, or ID cards. And that's it, a complete tour of the CorelDRAW interface for beginners. Now you know what each bar, tool, and section does, and you're ready to start creating. In our next episode, we'll dive into the toolbox in detail, starting with the Pick tool, Shape tool, Crop tool, and Zoom tool. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.